YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy, Wonton Quan, aka Surf. Y'all like this? Y'all like this joint? I'm gonna be making hats, different brands. This is just the SRT one I made. You know, get the Chevy one, I mean, whatever you want. If you want one, just let me know. But as you can see, very good quality, good detail. But anyway, that ain't what this video about. Today is about my channel and what's gonna be popping on my channel. First of all, let me start the camera and show y'all. First of all, we're gonna get this bit right. This is the work truck, aka King. Yeah, I got this like at the top of the year. It had like, oh yeah, follow me on IG, Wonton Quan. But it had about a lot more than almost 260,000 miles on it. Now I got like 270,000. But you know, it's just supposed to be for work and get around. But it's a good truck. It got the straight six. 4x4 works good. It is something going on with the rear end, but still driving. So yeah, still driving. So I don't really care. Tinted the windows on it myself. This side looks pretty good. But let me show you all my side. That's the fucked up side. Hold on. Yeah, I know y'all see that. Yeah, I messed up, so I gotta order a new piece to fix that. But yeah, anyway, it's a 99. First thing I'm gonna be doing with this, well, I already got the wrap for it. I'm gonna be wrapping it, but first we gotta take these badges off. I already put new headlights in it. I did that a while ago. Painted the grill black, but as you can see, I got a chip, so I gotta redo that. I'm gonna take all these badges off. I'll take them off. I'm gonna take these 4x4 ones off. I got different badges for it. And yeah. But yeah, that's that. I'll show you how to wrap later, but right around there, that's another project. Ain't nothing going on with it right now. Ain't nothing shaking. But we are gonna be getting another car for this channel. Something fun, cause I mean, the second one I showed y'all, that's gonna be fun when I get done with it. But we're gonna be getting something. Right now, honestly, I don't really know what. I've been leaning more towards a coupe, some kind of sports car. Most likely it's gonna be an older model Corvette or a some kind of Audi. I don't know, like the Audi TT. I'm not quite sure which one yet though, so yeah. But other than that, check out my garden. Tomatoes, okay, peppers, sweet peppers and jalapenos, more tomatoes. You see them right there. Here goes a weak ass corn that I planted. Ain't shit happening with it. This is cucumber. I don't know what's happening with it either. That's watermelon, and it ain't doing that yet. Got some little carrots. But yeah, that's like my second time trying to garden, and this is the first time I'm getting some fruit. So yeah. Back to what this video is about. It's about me. What's going on the channel? It's gonna be a car channel / whatever I'm doing, vlog channel. I am gonna have another channel for my my blog interview type channel, like latest news type shit. But yeah, we're gonna be wrapping the Jeep in the next couple of days. I'm gonna show you how to wrap on that later. Then we got to get the engine pulled from the Blazer. It's a 85 S10 Blazer, but since Chevy can't do a SS Blazer, then you know I'm just gonna do my own thing. So yeah. Other than that, I'll be back at y'all when I got something new. Y'all, so not thinking I did most of this video in the vertical position instead of landscape. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna post it anyway. I don't care. Yeah, on my channel, it's gonna be a whole lot of not give a fuck shit. Cause I don't give a fuck. If you wanna fuck with me, fuck with me. If not, don't fuck with me. But yeah, that's about it. Alright, so I want to give y'all the up close on the Blazer. Ooh, gold lug nuts on a bitch. Oh. Yeah, original paint. I just put these wheels on here for it to roll around. Cause I gotta remove the engine and whatnot. I had kind of cleaned up in here. It was worse than this. These are the original seats. Original seats. Yeah, they're pretty dope. I was thinking about getting some new seats. But then again, I might just get these recovered. So yeah, there's that. Ooh, shit. The hatch is broke on it, so I gotta fix that. Yep, here's the front. Other side. Yep, the window's busted on it, so I gotta get a new window. Shit, I might just goddamn, I don't know, man. I'm thinking about doing something crazy with this bitch. What y'all think? Y'all tell me. Let me know below in the comments. Like over there, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about that joint. And yeah. Here's King again. You ready to roll? I looked up a performance chip for King 2. Just to get a little bit better performance out of it. I don't want to blow the bitch up, but hey, you know, it's old. It need work. But yeah, we're gonna get the basics done. We already got the basics done, but we're gonna get some suspension work, get some new shocks and springs, get it lifted some, get some new wheels and tires. I'm gonna wrap it first. I already got the wrap, so I might as well wrap it. And redo that window over there. Probably gonna put some different seats in here. I already put different seats in here. These are different seats from the original ones. But this one is manual and this one's automatic, and I ain't took the time to hook up the wiring. So yeah, that's the interior. Got my little bape wrap on there, you know what I'm saying? I wrapped the bezel and some bape stuff I got. Oh, this is a starlight thingy. I'll show y'all the bape wrap real quick. Hold on. Oh yeah, this is ugly. I gotta get that done. Well, not get it done, I'm gonna do it myself. With the bape wrap, I'm probably gonna do, oh shit. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, sure. Probably gonna do them wood trim pieces on the inside and the bape too. So I got a little bit left. I'll just do that. I'm fucking up, y'all. What the fuck? I got me some babe. Oh, I forgot. In case y'all wondering what my business is, I know I said this was a work truck. In case y'all wondering what the business is, this is my partner, Diesel Fleet Logistics Truck Wash, big truck wash, and this is my actual detailing business, KAP Auto Design. You know what I'm saying? Mobile detailing, interior detailing. Check me out, hit me up, whatever. I'm located in Aiken, South Carolina, the CSRA area. So yeah, look with me. Something real quick. Oh, look at the stars. I got the stars in the ceiling, bitch. Damn. That's just a little thing I showed y'all earlier. But yeah. Stars in the ceiling look way better at nighttime. It's pretty dope though. Until I can get the real thing. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. I'll show y'all better when it get dark. Alright, YouTube. I know y'all can't see me. I'm going to the Jeep to show y'all the Starliner at night. Real quick. Y'all should be able to see me. Oh, now. Y'all should be able to see me a little bit now. Hold on, let me turn this out. Yeah, sure. Now you can't see me no more, but you finna see these stars. Alright. Ooh. Yeah. There we go. Stars in the ceiling. Peep. And I can change like the little pattern or whatever. It's pretty cool. Well, yeah, there you go. Y'all see how it's changing? You can just make it big or spread it out like that. I like it like that. But you know, you can do different little, you got like little patterns like this. It's pretty dope. Might leave it like that for now. Yeah, leave it like that real quick. And let me show y'all the headlights real quick. Hold on. Let me back up. You can kind of see them from this angle. Let me see if I can get close. Oh, okay. I can get close up on here. There we go. That's them. I ain't got no light bar or nothing yet. Plan on getting some light bars and shit. Probably get one like back here for the reverse light. Now I can kind of see the stars now. Okay. You see it through the back window. Alright. Got a little, you know, 6. But yeah, that's about it. Ooh. But yeah, that's the stars. Showed y'all the stars. Shit, other than that, right now I ain't got nothing to show on it. That's about it, G. But I'll let y'all tomorrow. Peace.